A little Jackson Chameleon update, Lord of the Flies update, now Lord of the Crickets. Here's Peg leg. See his back right leg. Can't really move. Can't use it. It just dangles. Pretty bad, eh? He's been thriving up. Look at him, fatty. Can't use his back leg, but he does it. His brother, then by the way, there's their little horns. See him? These are gonna be beautiful Jackson Chameleon. They're all fatties. It's their enclosure, it's a cricket cup. A little dripper. Here's the third in here. I don't know where he's at. He's hiding somewhere. I don't know. Oh, back there. Wham. See the little guy? See the little horns? Cute, eh? He ate a fly probably. Look at his little horns. Just went through a shed. Getting waters. Well, fam, total fam, that's a chameleon enclosure. This is how you do it. Okay, 6 foot enclosure, 3 baby chameleons. Tropical UVB, 26 watt, so it's heat, UVB, UVA. Okay, that's all they need for heat. And there's Mama. There's Mama. Hey, PG. There's Mama's. Look at her, big girl. I don't know if she still got babies or not. Inside, we know that they are known to hold clutches. Here, well, let's do a whole update. We put the big ones back in there because the other ones them fattened up, hardened up. Everybody's getting along good. They're hiding in the plants. Turtles everywhere. Man, beautiful fish. Let's see if we can get it. Wham! Hi, Turtle Gang. There's another one. Wham! Another one. Wham! And look at the fish in there hanging out. OB peacock. Another turtle up there. Where's he at? Wham! Turtle Gang. My little Puerto Rican slider. Or what is it? Puerto Rican? Wham! That's the turtle tank update. How's that for a turtle tank, huh? 14 turtles, they didn't even know it. Yeah. Little panic update. Anyways, fam, good checking out with y'all. Just giving y'all an update on everybody. This is the tank we got. I haven't introduced yet. The Fluval 15 gallon. We got a breeding pair right now. I'm trying to do something. But that was the blue light, green light, red light. It's got the storm feature. Wham, wham, wham. Yeah, hopefully one day Fluval will sponsor me. The Horn Dragon update. What's up, little bud? Bless. Cage so clean. Wham, wham, wham. Beautiful little guy with his little tank mates. 2 painted turtles. Waterfall coming soon. There's his big cage. This thing is massive, man. It's my dog right there. That's the cage. This thing is massive. And then red and blue, Hawaiian Punch, Blue Raz Ice. Look at red, huh? Look at blue. Red and blue iguana. Beautiful.
Why? We've been managing fine so far.
Jack's not getting any younger, and I'm not always going to be around to help pick up.
And last but not least, can't forget the snap turtles.
I got a lot of things like Jake.
Where they at?
Yeah. Look at your sponsorship.
Well, why is it setting up?
Why not?
Win.
If you know what you want in life, you got to do
1 and 2.
So, you up for a strategy meeting tomorrow?
Sure. You know, Dad, you're right. And I'm feeling the same way too. It's time for new challenges.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, Total Fam, that's an animal update, and we appreciate you guys, all you new subscribers, and I'm gonna give you guys a bio on myself here the next couple of days, let you know about myself, and just do a video on who you are watching, and a little bit about my past, and who I am as a person. And I really appreciate all you new subscribers. And I really appreciate everybody on here. It's the supporters and Total Fam. We appreciate you, fam. We appreciate you, all the new fam. We appreciate you. And God bless you guys, man. You know, gotta give it to the Lord. But anyways, Total Fam, thank you for everything. Thank you for being there. Thank you for supporting me. And God bless you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.